My name's Alyssa, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist here at Central Ohio Primary Care. One of the more common nutrient deficiencies in America is iron. And iron has a crucial role into how our red blood cells transport oxygen to the rest of our body. And it's especially important during periods of rapid growth. So infants, teenagers, women who are pregnant, we need the most iron during those period of times. We can get iron through our diet in two ways, through heme and non-heme iron. These differ mainly by their bioavailability, which is how readily absorbed it gets into our bloodstream. Animal products like meats, fish, poultry, they contain both forms, heme and non-heme iron. Plants, on the other hand, like spinach, beans, iron-fortified grains like breads and cereals, contain only non-heme iron, so are therefore less bioavailable. So regardless of which source you get your iron from, adding vitamin C will help increase its absorption into our bloodstream. And vitamin C is found in a lot of citrusy fruits like strawberries, tomatoes, oranges, and it works really well when you can combine your vitamin C foods with your iron-rich foods. And here are a few examples. You can add dried strawberries to your cereal. You can also add oranges to your spinach salad. And you can add some fresh tomato salsa, like pico de gallo, to your tacos. I hope these tips have helped you understand a little bit more about why iron is so important. If you're looking for more individualized recommendations, talk to your COPC physician for more information.